Hello everyone, today in front of me I have this BLACKVIEW A70 smartphone, and in this video we will demonstrate how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So let's swipe down from the top in order for the notification and control panels to appear. Expand the shortcut window, locate the Wi-Fi shortcut, tap and hold on it in order for you to go to the Wi-Fi settings menu, or should I say Wi-Fi settings page. Here choose what Wi-Fi network you would like to share the password of. In my case, I'll go with this HardReset.Info network. Tap on this gear icon, and then right below the network name, tap on the share picture. Here, right below the QR code, we'll see the actual Wi-Fi password. So Wi-Fi password is HardReset. Or we can just, instead of like manually finding this network and entering this password, we can take the device that we were to share the Wi-Fi network password with and scan this QR code. So in my case, I'll use this Nokia Android smartphone as for an example. Open up the built-in Google Lens application. Frame this QR code. When it gets recognized, I'll just simply tap on it. After this Join Network button appears, I'll tap on this Join Network button, and as you will see right now, our phone will be successfully connected to the HardReset.Info Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye!